Hey everyone, John here. Today I'm going to be unboxing the RS3 combo by DJI. The combo isn't that much different from the regular RS3 other than the fact that it includes a focus motor. That's what I know, and then this grip. So we'll see how this goes. I actually have the mini version of this. I'm comparing this with basically this version just so I can compare the weight limits and see what I actually need, and we'll go from there. So let's get this started. Let's see if I can figure this out on the first try. You got some little pull tabs. Looks like it comes with a case of some sort. Nice box. Does it have specs on it? Yes, it does. Let's see. That's what specs are looking like if you guys want to see it. I really like this traveling case, and I haven't even opened it yet. So let's see. Oh, there's this. Probably just gonna need to rip it out. There it is. Perfect. DJI. Okay. So, looks like we have our grip right here. What's this? Come on. And the stuff is still sealed. Battery. Okay. Mounting plate. So, oh, okay. It's kind of cool. Let's see, do we have anything in here? Probably where an extra battery would go. And we have the tripod. Basically, if you want to set your gimbal down, you just set it on this and it would sit. Alright, that makes sense. Already got that out. Toss that in the box. This is the focus motor that we were talking about earlier. I'm probably going to play with that at one of my shoots. Silica gel, a classic. Toss that. Looks like we have some manuals. Quick start guide. I already know how to use a gimbal, but I'll review this after, just so I can balance it the correct way. And what's this? Let's toss the plastic. Focus motor probably goes on this somehow. Yep. That's probably what this is. Gonna put that back in there. Toss the silica gel. Oh yeah, I got some more stuff in here for the focus motor here. The teeth. And then we got some cables as well. So I had the focus motor on my RSC2 and I did not like it. I'm hoping this one is a bit improved. It didn't really work well with my Sigma 24-70, but like I said, hopefully this one works a little bit better. I'm going to have to take some time to review all this just so I can get it all set up. Just throw that all back in here because I would definitely not be using that on my first shoot. I have autofocus. But when I do get the chance, probably going to have to learn some more about that. Alright, and now, the star of the show. I like the way this folds. The Mini doesn't do any of this. So let's see if I can figure this out. It sits there. Let's see, where's the battery? I'm going to pull this guy back up. Battery goes in here, I assume. Yep, of course. There we go. So that is what that looks like. Let's see, these are supposed to auto unlock. That's a big thing that I was kind of curious about. So let's see if I can get, if this has any juice in it. We'll try this out. If it does. I don't think it has any juice. Okay, yep, there is no power in this. I'm going to see if I can plug this in really quick and see how that goes. Yep, it is basically dead. So there is that. So I'm going to have to take some time to get this charged. I will see if I can turn it on here. Oh, it looks like it came on. Perfect. Let's see if I can get this set up. I'm not going to use this app because the S23 Ultra for some reason isn't compatible with this. I think it's just the Android beta I have installed. So I'm going to skip that. Ooh, there we go. It is unlocked. Now let's see, I should probably take this padding out. Yeah, please take out before use. Didn't see that. Silly me. Okay. Definitely wants me to get a camera on there, so I'm going to shut this down. And there it locks. Good to go. That is the RS3. I'm going to bring over my Mini just so you can see the size difference. So I'm going to take the tripod off. Funny enough, I went to Micro Center and this is supposed to be around, I think, $400, $450, and they had it as an open box for only $230. So I said, why not get it? And it's basically getting a $400 gimbal for almost half the price. But here's the size comparison. If you can see them side by side, the RS3 is definitely a bit bigger. But this is going to be heavy, basically carrying heavier lenses. I don't think I'm going to need this, but I bought this first and then I saw this, and this has been doing okay with my 24-70 as long as it's not tilting down too much. But honestly, I'm probably going to be running more primes, like your standard 24, 35, 50, 75. Compared to this, that will hold the 24-70 more. I think this would be better for shoots that, let's say you're mounting this on something, like let's say I'm shooting a car, I want to get a car mount stuff. The motors on this should be a lot stronger, but honestly a lot of people seem to be getting the Pro version for stuff like that, but that's not my market. This is mostly going to be for wedding work, so I'm thinking I'm probably going to use this for that, and then use this for the more casual projects, if that makes sense. But yeah, I will talk about both of these in the future video, but thanks again for watching, and we'll go from there.